Ever wonder why yawning is contagious? It's fascinating. Yawning happens for several reasons, mainly related to our brains. When we see someone yawn, our brain recognizes it. This triggers a response, making us yawn too. It's called contagious yawning. It's all about empathy and social bonding. Studies show contagious yawning is linked to mirroring. We mimic others' behaviors to connect socially. For example, you might yawn after seeing a friend yawn. This reaction strengthens our social ties and understanding. Let me know in the comments if you knew this.